Per Inside EVs, Hyundai's Ioniq 6 electric sedan is struggling with sales despite its impressive specs. In September, only 599 units were sold, marking a 64% drop compared to the same month last year. This follows a 51% decline in August. Year to date, however, sales are still up, with 9,097 Ioniq 6 vehicles sold so far in 2024, compared to 8,318 in 2023. The Ioniq 6 offers a range of up to 361 miles on a single charge, thanks to its sleek design and efficient 800-volt architecture. Despite these features, it seems the sedan body style is less appealing to buyers in a market increasingly dominated by crossovers. In contrast, the Ioniq 5, a taller crossover, saw a 20% increase in sales this year, with 30,318 units sold in 2024 compared to 25,306 last year. Hyundai's internal combustion sedans, like the Elantra and Sonata, also saw sales increases in August, up 28% and 75% respectively. The Ioniq 6's struggle may reflect a broader market trend away from sedans toward higher-riding vehicles, even in the electric vehicle segment. You are listening to Yuan News.